Now let us discuss the factor that affect the workability. The first one is size of aggregate. So what do you think? If we use bigger size aggregate, will the workability decrease or increase? Think about it and then answer to yourself. Okay. So if you use bigger size of aggregate, we have lesser surface area for lubrication, which basically gives you a more workable mix. Okay, and if you have higher quantity of smaller size aggregate, then of course higher surface area is required for lubrication. So the workability decreases. Okay, so having a bigger size aggregate improves the workability of the mix. Okay, this can be like visualized. So suppose like you have two boxes of equal dimension. Let's say this is box A, this is box B, right? Your box A is filled with coarse aggregate. Okay, your box A is filled with coarse aggregate, right? While your box B is filled with equal amount of fine aggregate. Okay, so the weight in the box, the weight of aggregate is same. Let's say you have 10 kg of coarse aggregate and here 10 kg of fine aggregate, right? You have 10 kg of fine aggregate. The weight of aggregate is same. Okay. Now what do you think if we had suppose for example, okay, suppose for example if we had 5 liters of water in both, right? So what do you think, in which of these boxes will you feel the mixing or the coating of water in all the aggregate to be even or easy? Of course, in box A the mixing of the water will be fairly easy compared to this box B, which has higher content of fine aggregate. So this mixing will take a lot of time, right, to ensure that all the even coating of film of water in all the fine aggregate. It will take a good amount of time, right? So your bigger size of aggregate, so having a bigger size of aggregate improves your workability. Then we have shape of aggregate, and we have discussed when we were discussing about the properties of aggregate that rounded aggregates give you more workable mix compared to the angular aggregate. Right, angular aggregate, irregular aggregate. In comparison to these aggregate, your rounded aggregate gives you better workability. Then texture of aggregate, of course, smooth texture aggregate will give you a more workable mix compared to the rough textured aggregate.